Hi friends, I'm Kaylin, a nutrition educator with Cal Fresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension. And welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month we'll be learning about apples. Apples are fruits that can be found on fruit-bearing trees. The Spanish name for apple is manzana. Did you know that apples are one of the most widely cultivated tree fruits? The apple industry in California dates back to the 1800s. Today, there's more than 450 growers. Can you think of any apple growers here in the Central Sierras?
My name is Tom Heflin, and this is my wife, Krista Campbell. And today, we're going to go out and look at the apple orchard and look at all the different varieties of apples. How apples grow, conditions that make good apples, what you have to do to grow good apples, what we do with the apples. And one of the things we do with the apples is we make apple cider and we make apple cider donuts.
That's my job.
Hi, my name is Claire Frost and I live here in Placerville, California. I volunteer with Ag in the Classroom and at Camino School, and one of our big projects are the Fields of Learning field trips here at Rainbow Orchards.
Tree is going to have a bunch of little dried up apples under it. So we pick off half the apples. That means there's enough room for the rest of the apples to grow, and they grow a decent size. Fuji's. Everybody's heard of Fuji's.
No.
Oh?
Yeah.
Because that's one of the, when you go to the store, that's when you're going to find. Apples are Mutsus.
Oh, that's my favorite apple.
And why would that be your favorite apple?
Oh, because it's crunchy and it's sweet and it has a floral, almost floral flavor to it. It's got a really rich, flowery flavor to it.
Here, remember the
Right? Okay. Boom, boom. Roots. Roots draw water up from the soil and they hold the tree in the ground. Boom, boom, boom. Your trunk, the trunk holds the tree up and it moves water to the branches. And our branches hold up the leaves. And our leaves help make food. But the first thing they do is they make food for the tree. And once the tree has food and energy, it can make fruit. And our fruit makes a seed. Okay? Woo.
What color? Red. There was some red apples.
Were those red delicious?
We saw red delicious.
Did you see Sophia?
red and green.
Green. So the green was probably the golden delicious, or maybe it was the Granny Smith. Which one do you think it was? Do you remember?
half cup of sliced apples is a great source of fiber. Fiber is important for proper bowel function. Apples are one of my favorite fruits, especially Granny Smith's. I hope they're one of yours too. Remember, the Spanish name for apple is manzana. Thank you for joining us on the Spotlight of Apples as our harvest of the month. How will you enjoy apples this month? See if you can find apples in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month.